It's payday. Your phone buzzes. The money lands in your account, a fleeting moment of relief, and then, almost instantly, it disappears. New shoes, a spontaneous dinner, a movie night with friends, and suddenly, nothing. That endless cycle of earn and spend isn't just frustrating, it's silently stealing your potential for true financial freedom. But what if, this time, it could be different? What if you could break free from that pattern, step by step, paycheck by paycheck? Today, on the Daily Rebirth, we're revealing a transformative payday routine, a step-by-step system to help you reclaim control, build wealth, and create real freedom. Step 1. Find your freedom number. Before you can grow, you need clarity. You can't fix what you can't see. Your freedom number is the absolute minimum money you need to cover essential living costs each month. Open a spreadsheet or notebook. List your essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, healthcare. Then identify sneaky extras, streaming subscriptions, daily coffees, impulse buys. The total of your essentials is your financial baseline, your survival cost. Aim to keep this under 50% of your monthly income. Knowing this number gives you clarity, control, and the first taste of freedom. Step 2. Build your emergency fund. Protect your baseline. Life doesn't wait. Flat tires, hospital bills, car repairs, job loss. These surprises can derail years of planning. Save at least 6 months' worth of your financial baseline. If your baseline is $3,000 a month, your target is $18,000. This fund is not for vacations or gadgets. It's your shield, a fortress against chaos. Every dollar saved is a brick in your wall of freedom. Step 3. Crush your debt. Debt steals freedom. Write down everything you owe: credit cards, loans, student debt, car payments. Choose a strategy. Avalanche method: pay highest interest debts first. Snowball method: pay smallest debts first for momentum. Stay consistent. Watch your debt number shrink until it hits 0. That's your freedom returning. Step 4. Invest for future freedom. Debt under control. Time to grow. Start simple. Max out your 401k match, free money. Open a Roth IRA, tax-free growth. Use a taxable brokerage account for extra investing. Don't try to time the market. Invest a fixed amount every month, dollar cost averaging. Consistency plus compounding yield wealth over time. Step 5. Buy back your time. Money is renewable. Time is not. Identify tasks that drain you: cleaning, errands, chores. Calculate your worth versus hiring help. Delegate wisely. Reclaim hours for growth, passion, learning, and joy. Time is your most valuable currency. Step 6. Automate everything. Automation removes decision fatigue. Immediately after payday, split your money: 50% essentials, 20% savings and investments, 30% fun and personal goals. Automation isn't laziness, it's strategy. Your money moves itself toward your goals. All you need is patience. Freedom isn't instant. It's built. paycheck by paycheck, brick by brick, habit by habit. By following this routine, you're choosing to rebirth your financial life. Here at the Daily Rebirth, we don't just talk about money, we empower you to become unstoppable. Remember, you don't get freedom by chance, you build it every payday. And if you're ready to keep growing with us, subscribe to the Daily Rebirth. Because your journey to freedom starts right here.